Farm Bureau Insurance. Big on commitment. The ABC 36 Storm Team Forecast. Independently certified, the most accurate in Central Kentucky.
Thanks for staying with us. We're joined now by Chief Meteorologist Jason Myers. And okay, we know you get it. It is cold out there, but it's to be expected. And the sunshine makes a huge difference.
It surely did on Friday. Not so much with the temperatures, but at least it looked better, which made us feel better.
Yeah, and as that sun goes down, if you're out this evening, it gets quick cold outside. We had sunset at 5:30, so for the high school football playoff games this evening, as well as if you're just heading to Rupp Arena for the UK basketball game, yeah, you had to have on the extra layers. Fort Bank Skyview from EKU's campus shows quiet conditions, no precipitation to worry about as we continue overnight with these cold temperatures. Looks to be the coldest air so far this season, moving back in across the area. We look to stay dry and chilly for your Veterans Day as we head into the later part of your weekend. On Sunday, we do have the chance for rain as well as into next week. We're going to be talking more about the timing and rainfall amounts coming up. Again, the bigger story right now is just the cold temperatures. Outside right now, we have temperatures already in the upper 20s, 28 degrees from Lexington to Mount Sterling, Richmond, as well as for Danville, 29 from Liberty to 30 degrees in Somerset, 32 right now in London. So again, upper 20s to lower 30s. When you factor in a steady wind that's about 5 to 10 miles per hour, it does make it feel much colder. In fact, we already have wind chills that make it feel like the upper teens for Lexington. That's going to continue overnight as well. Again, cold temperatures outside right now as we start things off for your Veterans Day. We will start off the day with some sunshine, some high thin clouds, mid-20s around 8 a.m. in the morning, 12 noon, lower 40s. We'll see temperatures around 47 degrees by 5 o'clock. High temperatures tomorrow in the upper 40s. Winds will begin to turn a little bit more out of the south to southeast. It's going to be chilly throughout your Saturday, but again, we'll start to see the temperatures moderate just a little bit more as we continue through the weekend and even into next week. You can see some clouds moving back in. These are just some high cirrus clouds moving back in across the Commonwealth. What the cloud cover does is it actually prevents the temperatures from falling as quickly. Now, it is going to be cold tonight, but our temperatures may not fall as fast now that we're seeing the clouds move back in. We're forecasting overnight lows in the lower 20s, but with the clouds moving back in, that could keep temperatures in the mid-20s possibly as we go overnight tonight. But again, these are just some thin clouds right across the local viewing area. Again, winds for most of today have been more out of the northeast, drawing down that colder Canadian air after we had a cold front that moved through earlier this morning. It just brought with it more of that colder air across the Commonwealth. Futurecast here from midnight throughout our early morning hours. Futurecast really doesn't pick up on the cloud cover. Again, you just saw that on satellite. We do have these high thin clouds around, so we may wake up to some clouds, kind of high thin clouds in the morning, and that will maybe continue at times throughout our Saturday. For your Veterans Day, though, again, we stay dry, a high 49 degrees. Overall, though, a chilly afternoon. As we go overnight Saturday into Sunday, a little bit more cloud cover developing, becoming partly to mostly cloudy as we go into early Sunday. And again, as we were just talking about, winds are going to be out of the southeast, so it actually is going to keep our temperatures from being as cold Sunday morning. Now, Sunday is still going to be chilly, upper 30s. We start off mostly cloudy and dry for your morning hours, but from 12 noon here into our later afternoon, that's the better time frame to begin to see some scattered showers. Again, later, mainly in the later afternoon hours into the evening hours of Sunday. Sunday temperatures around 52 degrees. As far as rainfall amounts, it looks to be light, about 1/10 of an inch or less. A lot of locations may only see a few hundredths of an inch. Some locations may actually miss out on seeing some rain. It's going to be scattered. Again, light rain for late Sunday. For tonight, 23 degrees. Bundle up. It will be a cold night with wind chills in the teens as we head into the beginning of your weekend for Veterans Day. 49 degrees. It stays chilly throughout your Veterans Day afternoon, but again, we'll see some sunshine, more clouds and late day showers Sunday. 52 degrees, 50 degrees on Monday. We'll see our temperatures back into the mid 50s and more rain chances by late next week. Tom and Amber.